Camping for
4 here for 3 days straight, guys.
Dude, we'll have to shoot 1 round every hour.
Wee!
You have to bring it inside that building. That building only. If you drop it on the ground over there, I'm going to pick it up, bring it back in here, and it's not going to count. That building.
Just remember.
You point the one by the door, right? By the door out?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
I'm doing this one.
Remember, no rushing. I'm gonna go inside the building on the right, so if you see me, don't shoot me.
I declare jihad on little green people.
Everyone, get in that building. I don't think we all fit in here.
Is this like an orgy?
Yeah.
We're all getting in the small room. I'm down.
Oh, fuck, shot me in the foot.
You got a broken foot.
Oh, hell nah. This is on camera.
Yeah, it is on camera.
Hey, guys, where you guys going?
I'm going
to North Korea.
I'm gonna go straight ahead and hit the building inside. So.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna start landing on
Thunder be it.
You guys come on my right side and let's get in this building.
I like potatoes.
I like big fucking things.
We're ready.
You got one guy over here.
It's not us.
Hey, wait, there's someone in that building right there.
Yeah, there's someone in the guns and ammo behind it.
There's someone behind it.
The gun shop.
Whoop his ass.
What? There's no way he spawned that star. There's no way.
They're in the guns and ammo store. Guns and ammo.
Hey, Broadsword, you got me covered?
Oh, hit.
Hit.
Go right there in his box.
Oh, hit! Hit!
Yo, guys, we got guys on the right side.
Yeah, I got one of them, and then someone else popped up.
You got the middle covered, Jesse?
I'm not walking. No blind firing, dude. Hit. Oh shit, sorry. What team? Okay. Guys, he's friendly.
You're good. Hit. There's a lot of them that like the blind fire.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, watch your full auto.
We have the flag.
Hey, semi-only. Semi-auto only, no full auto.
We have the flag.
Hey! Hi, Jeff! that? It's game.
Get it 3 times.
Oh, that's right. It. See anything?
I swear, if he doesn't call us that next time, line him up.
Do you think you can cover me as I go in the building? Yeah. Hey, Jesse, I'm going in the building, okay?
Go.
Hit.
I'm gonna push up to that building right there.
See, there's a guy behind that box too.
Which box? Dude, I swear, if you don't... Oh my...
What? Oh, he's not calling it?
Dude, I just saw the bullet hit him.
Hey, yeah, so he isn't calling it.
On the left flank.
Okay, go right there.
Oh, remember the flag's on the left side of the building.
Got it. I'm gonna move up to that building right there. Okay, ready? Actually, I'm gonna go around.
Guy in that building right there. Swear, if that guy doesn't call it, I'm lining him up.
Hit.
10 foot.
You're dead. Hey, it's in the building. You're dead.
Where is it? He's up.
Everyone by the bell, you're dead.
See that guy? Do you see him in the box? See if you can hit him.
What's this?
No, the box, it says 5 on the top. If you shoot through the cracks, you should be able to hit him.
Yeah, I'm hitting him. What is it?
Wow.
What the fuck?
Where is he?
Someone over there. They said he's behind his skull.
Okay. I'm reloading.
Oh, crap.
I see him. Water buffalo.
You got a dude over there.
How did they get wet?
Hey, you ready?
Can you get in that building? I didn't see no flow in that building. You should have put it in the middle. Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, guys in the building next to us, watch your fire. I'm moving over there. Tell them to watch it. Watch fire. Hey, guys, I'm going. Watch your fire. Watch your fire. Hey, I'm going. It's in that building, right?
There's a guy on the building on the right side.
You guys don't know the building to the right.
Taking hits, that might be where it's from.
There's one guy in that building up there,
Oh, yeah.
straight ahead.
Have to line them up, but they don't call it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Hey, you! Over here! Yes, I did.
Hey! Hey! Chuckles! Hey, bud. Hey. I also got it on camera. All of your bullets? We dropped the short, you hit me at 5. You were hitting. No shit, no shit, man.